What's up everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to hide the hole punch cutout on your Samsung Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy S10 Plus. Alright, I know this has been a bother to some people. I mean, not a lot of people, but to some people. As for me, the hole punch cutout on the dual cameras in the front does not bother me at all. Like, I actually like the fact that it looks like that, but some people don't like it. And if you don't like it, this is just a tutorial or a little video on how to make it blend in, or just make it look unnoticeable enough to where it doesn't bother you as much. And I was on Twitter and I came across this little post, and I'll leave a link in the description on where I got these wallpaper that blends in the display. They cover the camera. It looks like, it looks amazing. It looks good. So you guys let me know what you think in the comment section. Like I said, I'll leave a link to where I got these wallpaper to hide the cutout, the camera cutout, or just to make it look nice and not as bothersome. So I'll leave a link in the description. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope it's helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.